Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the rocker switch on your oven. The reason why you might have to do this is because it's shorted out, causing the oven light not to function properly. For this repair, we'll be using a 5/16" nut driver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. For this repair, we'll be using a Whirlpool stove. Keep in mind, ours might be a little bit different than what you've got at home, but the same techniques should still apply. So what we're going to do now is turn the stove around. Now we have to remove this back panel here, and to do that, we're going to remove all these screws here. As I remove this last screw, I'm just going to hold the panel in place so it doesn't fall down. Okay. And then the panel will just come right off. So here's our rocker switch from this side. All I'm going to do is remove these two wires here. And once I've done that, there are a couple of tabs on each side. I'm going to squeeze in on those and push it up through the front. Again, all I'm doing is just pushing in on each side and feeding it through. And there we go. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement rocker switch. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. And to put that back into place, all I'm going to do is slide it into that hole, push it in until it snaps in, and we'll go back on the other side and plug it back in. So now we'll get our two wires, plug those back into place. And now we can put our back panel back on. So now I'll put the back panel into place, and I want to make sure this lip goes underneath here. Line up the holes as best as I can. Put one down here first. Now we can turn it back around and plug it back in. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.